Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrienne if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back to another motherfucking hair video. Today we are being sponsored by Klaiyi hair. Y'all know I love to work with them. They are one of my favorite companies and they always have really good quality hair. So let's get into what they sent us in the box. When you open your box up, you get a set of press-on nails. They're these really pretty, like baby pink press-on nails. Of course, you get your HD wig caps for if you decide to glue this wig down. They sent us over some alligator clips. We have a melting band, and then we also got a branded wig bag. Here is the wig that they sent us. This is a Yaki textured wig. I haven't had one of these in a long time, so I'm really excited to see how this goes. I'm running my fingers through the hair. I am getting like a few hairs here and there, but nothing too crazy so far. But the lace is super transparent. It feels really thin, which is always a good thing. I believe this is 24 inches and this is a 7x5 closure. We have enough space to work with if we want to do like a style or something. I do want to flat iron this hair to see what it looks like in a flat iron state. I feel like it's gonna give a natural blowout type of look. So as y'all see, we're starting off with our braids. This is a braid down pattern from an old quick weave that I had, and I just decided to keep the braids, child. Okay, so since this is a wear and go wig, let's just, actually I'm gonna put a wig cap on first before we just hop into it, because I just feel like the wig cap will make everything kind of like stay together underneath this wig. Normally I would actually take some foundation and tint the lace, but I can't seem to find my foundation. And I refuse to use my good foundation on this lace. So we're just gonna use some concealer on the part and try to work it out that way, child, because I don't know where my stuff is. We're just gonna take the wig like this. This is supposed to be a ready to wear wig anyway. We don't need no lace, no foundation. We don't need that. Per usual, we're gonna have to pluck out some of the hairline right there because it just doesn't mimic my natural hairline. I do not have a straight across hairline or anything like that. The inside of this wig has one set of combs in the back, but that is pretty much it. There are no side combs, but for this one, it actually fits well. It doesn't feel like it's gonna slide off my head at any point, so that's always a good thing. A lot of people are scared to do this part, but it's literally the easiest part if you just take your time and pull slowly. See how that looks more like my actual natural hairline versus this being down so low? Yeah, that's what we're going for. I do have to go to work in the morning, so like, this is gonna have to be my professional wig. This is gonna have to be my professional wig, girl. So I don't want nothing too crazy. I am probably gonna add some baby hairs to it, just because that's me. I love a good baby hair. But yeah, we can't have too much going on. We're just gonna keep pulling slightly, small by small. Be patient with it. Don't try to rush the process. So now that we got the hair all plucked, you know, for this to just be a wear and go wig, like I haven't even done any flat ironing or anything like that, it is actually sitting really flat on my head. So now that we got that lace out of the way, or that hair off the lace, I'm just kind of going through and plucking the hairline, making it look a little bit more natural. I will say it is really easy to get this hair flat at the top. I'm gonna take this hair and move it to the back, put in a little clip so that we can work on this lace. So as y'all can see already, you cannot really see the lace. I like to snip down the middle, snip down the sides, and then kind of just angle cut. That's what it's called. So we're gonna take some of this Murray's wax and I'm gonna put that on the flyaways at the top so that I can kind of get those to behave and stay out the way because they are getting on my nerves. I'm gonna take some of this Kenra hairspray. I'm just gonna spray that as well. Lock it in with the hot comb. Baby, I want this flat. I want it laid. I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and my concealer. So the front of our hair is done. As you can see, the edges are perfect. The part is perfect. The lace, I think I'm gonna melt it with some of this camera spray too. You don't gotta do too much ever, 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 ever. Especially with a lace like this, yeah. Now we're gonna work on the actual hair. We done did everything else except work on this hair. We're gonna start with some, we'll do low layers today. With these ready to wear wigs, you definitely have to customize them to make them look how you want, you know? You gotta make them give them that look. So far so good. We are experiencing some shedding, but that's okay, that's okay. We're just gonna go ahead and finish out the process. I've already layered the hair and it looks good. Like, it looks so cute so far. So I'm just gonna go through and flat iron it, and then I'm gonna add a little curl to it, and that's gonna be it, y'all. I just wanted to pop in real quick and show y'all the actual flat iron texture. It looks so good. It's so pretty. Look at the luster of this hair. I really, really, really like this texture. All right, y'all, so this is the final look and the final product. I really do love the color of this hair. I love the softness of this hair. I love the texture. Everything about this hair is so pretty. It does hold a curl very well, and it does straighten really quickly. This is the final look. It was really easy to throw this wig on. The lace looks amazing still. I did end up taking it up, so it is glueless again, but all I have to do is spray some more of that camera hairspray on my lace and it'll be back melted. That's how thin this lace is. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Per usual, all of the details on this hair will be linked in the description box below. Again, shout out to Klaiyi for sponsoring this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one.